Welcome to Oraanj Interior Design. If you're looking for inspiration to give your home a fresh, modern twist, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the most stylish and practical home decoration ideas for 2025. Trust me, you're going to want to stay until the very end for some exclusive tips that could transform your space. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest interior design tips and trends. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the foundation of your home's design, the colors, materials, and layouts that are defining 2025. This year, we're seeing a shift towards what I like to call nature-inspired minimalism. Think earthy tones, organic textures, and open spaces that feel calming and connected to the natural world. If you're redecorating on a budget, consider starting with a fresh coat of paint in a warm, neutral color. Pair it with natural materials like wooden furniture or linen upholstery to create a timeless and inviting look. Another big trend is the return of open-plan layouts, but with a twist. Instead of large, undefined spaces, we're seeing creative partitions like glass dividers or shelving units to maintain a sense of openness while defining distinct areas. Let's talk furniture. In 2025, multifunctional pieces are all the rage. With many of us working from home or juggling various activities, furniture needs to work harder for us. Think sofas with hidden storage, modular shelving units, or extendable dining tables. One standout trend is the resurgence of curved furniture. Rounded edges on sofas, chairs, and even coffee tables create a soft, welcoming vibe. Plus, they're safer for households with young children. Another rising trend is mixed materials. Picture a dining table with a wooden top and metal legs, or a sofa that combines leather and fabric. Mixing materials adds visual interest and creates a bespoke look. When choosing new furniture, always prioritize comfort and quality over fleeting trends. A classic, well-made piece will last you years and can adapt to changing styles with simple updates like new cushions or throws. Next, we need to talk about lighting, an essential element that's often overlooked. In 2025, layered lighting is key. This means combining ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a space that's both functional and atmospheric. For a modern touch, consider investing in smart lighting systems. They allow you to adjust the brightness and color temperature with your phone or voice, giving you complete control over your home's ambience. Imagine dimming the lights for a cozy movie night or brightening your workspace during the day with just a tap on your device. It's convenience and sophistication rolled into one. Another trend we're loving is statement light fixtures. Oversized pendants, sculptural chandeliers, and even colored glass designs are making waves. These aren't just functional pieces, they're works of art that can become the focal point of any room. For instance, an oversized rattan pendant light can add a touch of boho elegance, while a modern chandelier with metallic finishes brings drama and luxury. When planning your lighting, think about the color temperature. Warm lights create a cozy, inviting feel, while cooler lights are ideal for task-oriented spaces like home offices or kitchens. Mixing these temperatures within your home can help you achieve a perfect balance. Accessories are like the jewelry of your home. They add personality and flair. In 2025, sustainable and artisanal pieces are taking center stage. Think handmade pottery, woven baskets, or upcycled decor items. Don't be afraid to mix textures. For example, pair a chunky knit throw with smooth metallic accents like brass or gold. This contrast adds depth and keeps your space visually interesting. Wall art is another area to explore. Large-scale pieces, gallery walls, and even tapestries are trending this year. Pro tip: when creating a gallery wall, stick to a cohesive color palette for a polished look. Group accessories in odd numbers for a more natural and balanced look. A trio of vases or candles can create a stunning focal point. Bringing the outdoors in continues to be a major trend. Biophilic design, which incorporates natural elements into your home, not only looks beautiful, but also boosts your mood and air quality. If you're new to plants, start with low-maintenance options like snake plants or pothos. These plants are not only easy to care for, but also help purify the air. They're the perfect way to begin your indoor greenery journey. And for those with limited space, consider a stylish wall-mounted planter or a hanging garden. These designs are perfect for maximizing vertical space while keeping things visually stunning. But it's not just about plants. You can also embrace other natural elements to bring a touch of the outdoors inside. Think about incorporating water features, like a small tabletop fountain, to create a soothing ambience. Or try using stone accents, whether in the form of decorative bowls, sculptures, or even a pebble-filled tray for your candles. These simple additions can make your space feel. Now, let's explore some room-specific ideas to inspire your next project. Layered rugs are trending this year. Try placing a smaller patterned rug over a larger neutral one for a cozy, bohemian look. And don't forget about accent chairs. Adding a bold, colourful chair can transform a corner into a stylish reading nook. Statement headboards are making waves. From upholstered designs to natural rattan, a headboard can instantly elevate your bedroom style. And for a touch of luxury, add layered bedding with contrasting textures like velvet and cotton. Open shelving is perfect for displaying beautiful dishware or pantry staples in glass jars. Just remember to keep it tidy for that Instagram-worthy finish. You can also experiment with colourful backsplashes to inject personality into the space. Spa-inspired bathrooms are a big hit. Think rainfall showerheads, freestanding bathtubs, and wooden accents for a touch of zen. Adding a few scented candles or eucalyptus branches can complete the look. Finally, let's talk about making your home truly yours. Personalization is a big trend in 2025, as more people look to create spaces that tell their unique stories. This isn't about following every trend, it's about infusing your personality and history into your decor. Start by incorporating pieces that have sentimental value. Maybe it's an antique vase from your grandparents, or a piece of art you picked up on holiday. These items add depth and meaning to your space. Customized furniture is another great way to personalize your home. Whether it's a sofa upholstered in a fabric you love, or a bespoke bookshelf designed to fit your collection, these pieces are both functional and uniquely yours. And don't forget about DIY projects. Painting a mural, crafting your own candles, or even creating a gallery wall with your favorite photographs are all ways to add a personal touch. In 2025, technology isn't just functional, it's becoming a seamless part of home design. The key is to strike the perfect balance between tech-savvy solutions and aesthetics. Let's explore how smart innovations can elevate both the style and functionality of your space. Smart home systems are more integrated than ever. From voice-activated assistants to smart thermostats and blinds, these technologies simplify your life while blending into your decor. Imagine waking up to your blinds opening automatically, soft music playing, and your coffee machine already brewing. That's the power of a connected home. But it doesn't stop at automation. Design-forward tech is also on the rise. Think of sleek wireless chargers built into side tables, TVs that double as digital art frames, or even smart mirrors with built-in LED lighting and weather updates. These gadgets aren't just practical, they're visually stunning. And for the ultimate in modern convenience, consider investing in kitchen tech. Smart refrigerators, voice-controlled ovens, and motion sensor faucets are game changers for both cooking and cleaning. Plus, they add a touch of futuristic flair to your home. When incorporating technology into your home, focus on pieces that offer both practicality and elegance. Look for items with minimalist designs or options that can be customized to match your decor. In 2025, outdoor spaces are being treated as an extension of your home, rather than just an afterthought. Whether you have a sprawling garden, a cozy balcony, or even just a small patio, there's so much you can do to create an inviting and stylish outdoor area. Start with comfortable seating. It's the foundation of any outdoor space. Modular outdoor furniture is a fantastic choice because it's versatile and allows you to rearrange your setup for different occasions, whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening with a book. Lighting is just as important outdoors as it is indoors. Solar-powered lights, string lights, and lanterns can create a magical atmosphere while being energy efficient. Consider placing path lights along walkways or fairy lights in trees to add a whimsical touch. Finally, don't forget about greenery. Potted plants, vertical gardens, and even edible herbs can add a vibrant, natural touch to your outdoor space. Pro tip: choose plants suited to your climate for low-maintenance beauty. And there you have it, our top home decoration ideas for 2025. From nature-inspired colors to multifunctional furniture, smart lighting, and artisanal accessories, these tips will help you create a space that's both stylish and practical. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any questions or need advice for your specific space, we'd love to help. Don't forget to subscribe to Oraanj Interior Design for more home styling tips and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.